Matthew Ladd here. This week I'm taking you through part 2 of the Kenworth Connects right here. We're going to go through the different menu options and things available on the Kenworth Connects. First off, if you swipe down here, you have access easily to your Bluetooth. You can turn the dark screen on and off, and you go right into your settings, which is awesome. We'll go here, we'll put that back up. You can also adjust the dim right here. If you find it's too bright, you can adjust the dimmer right here. That's always available, and you always have the 2 screens there. Now let's go a little bit further into the menu controls. So here, you'll have media, which is also available directly right here. But if I click here in media, it'll connect me right here. I can change my media source. You have your options there, your stations, set up your favorites, and you can even set up the tuner to pick exactly what station you want to be on. You can also click up here and go right into your radio and your sound settings in the truck. Go here. As every other truck, you have your different settings here. Every other sound system, it's right there for easy use. We'll go back in here. You also have the HD radio on this truck. You can set up your HD radio alerts. We'll go back into the main menu. You had a camera on the truck. You have the access to the camera directly there and have it connect directly to the Kenworth Connect. We'll go into settings here. We have our Wi-Fi, our Bluetooth, our sound settings, our profile and accounts. You can set up different profiles. You have your assistant voice, which is called Hey Kenworth, which we're not going to do right now, but right away you can see it's listening to me right away. And then we have our general system info just below. Go back a step here in the menu. Operator's manual. You can easily access your operator's manuals from the Kenworth Connects, and you can even search for information in your operator's manual if you're not sure about something. Go back again here. We have our driver tutorials. You have Kenworth Driver Academy. You have 4 videos available right there. We have our vehicle health. So if there was an issue with the vehicle, what I really like about this, there's no active faults right now. We'll go through. You can have fault log, vehicle info. You know your full VIN right there. You don't have to look on the door or anything. You can even see the software currently on the truck. So there's tons of information available in this. But don't feel overwhelmed. Your AC controls, as I showed in the first video, are right there. You can go back and look at that video. Your fan controls, your temperature, and your radio, right there, easily accessible. You don't have to get lost in some screens. We have the dealer locator, which you can locate the closest dealer to you. Very easy if you have a service issue. You have your BEV right here, which this shows you more information about the electric truck. AC is running right now, so I'm pulling a little bit of auxiliary power. I have my estimated range, my state of charge, my energy efficiency, all right here on this screen. I can see my consumption. This truck hasn't been driving a lot, but I would see a graph pull up in my consumption. I can change it to kilowatts per kilometer or per mile or per hour, depending on the unit of measure that I'd like to have. And then in charging, you can set up your scheduled charging times, your charge target, your plug security. Everything is easily accessible directly in the dash of the truck. Go back in here. And then the last step, you have the Sirius satellite radio. So there's a quick overview of the Kenworth Connect. I'll get into the other videos. You can check out more details about the Kenworth Connect, the Kenworth Dash, and the Kenworth T680E. That's T.N.T, Trucks and Tips, and my name is Matthew Ladd. Stay tuned for more tips in the future. Thank you.